Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Today I'm excited because I finally got my hands on one of my actual favorite sirens out there. There's a few of my favorites out there and ones I've been looking for a while, and this guy is actually one of them. Fortunately, the eBay seller sold me one that's different from the one for the picture, because I had one that I bought that has the switch here and the stickers here, so I'm not too happy about that. But what I am happy about is that it works, and it's actually in really great condition. So I could always get that little switch front, but at least she works perfectly fine, and looks and sounds great. So this is the Touchmaster Delta. This one is pretty much the newer version and the big brother of the TM4 that you saw in one of my past videos, which is that guy right there. And you can see they look pretty similar. That one's got metal switches on it, little toggles and whatnot, and that one's also California spec, so I don't know, got all the juicy priority tones on that. But this guy, on the other hand, not only is it the one that I've been wanting, it's also got all the juicy priority tones, which the Delta is known for having some juicy tones, and we'll see those really shortly. This one, for the bypass switch, it's got a little test switch. On my other one, you notice there's a little bypass I'd flick here and it'd let me go through the tones. I have the RLS hot switch mod. For those of you that don't know, you can simply jump the RLS switch to the number 12 position on the back. I think it's horn ring. And then when you hit up your RLS button, you can actually switch between your hetero or futura, utero, whatever the hell tone it's called, the different priority tones. And also it lets you do your manual. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hear her. And that, my friends, is the Touchmaster Delta. One of the most OG sirens out there, in my opinion. I love the siren so much. Glad I got it. I check every day for eBay under certain categories. I got this one fresh as it was posted. I was like, hey, and scooped that guy right up. So that being said, that's the good old Touchmaster Delta. And thank you guys for watching. This video is recorded with an SM57 studio microphone in the closet. This video is recorded with a SM57 studio mic in the closet and a MS100 Federal Signal 100 watt speaker.